Hey, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to this wound up, wind down sleep meditation for when you're feeling a little bit energized, but you want to get to bed regardless. And if you're feeling that way, it might seem impossible to get to sleep anytime soon, but let's try to make some magic and see if we can make that happen gradually. Go ahead and eliminate any distractions and set up your environment in a way that's conducive to sleep now. And when you feel ready, get into your bed in a comfortable position. And just take a gentle, slightly slower, deeper breath and set the intention to relax and rest first. We can worry about sleep a little bit later in this session. And with that in mind, if you're feeling a little bit of excess physical energy right now, just see if you can stretch a little bit in a way that feels intuitive and relaxing. Almost like you're doing some gentle yin yoga in your bed, just tuning in to the subtle muscles and fascia as you gently stretch in a relaxing way. And now if it feels right, you might choose to gently shake your energy out for a few moments, just shaking your body, maybe like a little jellyfish, just allowing yourself to disperse that active energy in a way that doesn't feel too activating, just gentle. And now let's do a few 4-7-8 breaths. We're going to breathe in through the nose for 4, hold for 7, and breathe out for 8. So just breathing slowly, deeply in for 4, filling up the body. Holding for 7, feeling your body's energy as you hold without judgment, just noticing. And slowly releasing out through the mouth like you're breathing out through a straw for 8. Great, a little bit deeper on this one. Breathing in for 4, filling up the body. Holding for 7, feeling the subtle energy in the body. And releasing super slow for 8. Okay, finding a rhythm. Let's do 2 more like that, but on the holds, we're going to tense up the whole body in a gentle way. So breathe in for 4, filling up the body. And as you hold for 7, just tense as much of your body as you can comfortably tense and clench. Not too strongly, just a gentle tensing. And release the muscles as you slowly breathe out for 8. Okay, last one, deepest one. Breathe really deep and powerfully in through the nose for 4, tensing your body gently as you hold for 7, feeling all the muscles clenching gently. And a nice big muscular release as you breathe out for 8, allowing all that tension to enjoyably release. And now with the eyes closed, if they weren't already, just imagine a whole field of people yawning. Imagine them really enjoying their yawns, and imagine those yawns might be mildly contagious, and embrace any yawning that comes your way or doesn't as well. And now see if you can settle into a comfortable position on your back that feels open and relaxed. And now let's bounce around the body with the mental spotlight in an effortless way, starting at the top of the head, just feeling the energy gently dancing at the top of the head. and moving down to the nose, the sensations in the lips, and the front of the neck. Getting unpredictable as we move to the upper back and the lower back, the front of your thighs, feeling the quads, and feeling the calf muscles, bouncing down to the tops of your feet, the toes, the bottoms of the feet, the heels, and up to the shins, the knees, and the hamstrings on the backs of the thighs, the pelvic bowl, and the hips, the chest and stomach as one flow of energy as you feel the breath dropping in unison into the front of the torso. And the shoulders, the upper arms, and the elbows, lower arms, palms of your hands, your thumbs, and all 5 fingers, the back of your neck, and the whole back of your body, feeling it as it gently touches the support, allowing yourself to sink into it effortlessly. Feel yourself embracing the unwinding into a state of restfulness, letting go of any concern about sleeping, but just embracing a conscious rest as you feel the back of the body making contact with the support. Feel the whole front of the body now, totally opening up with the breath to the sky above. And now feeling the whole right side of the body. Feel the right side buzzing with life energy. And pivot to the left side of the body, subtly lighting it up with your attention and the buzzing energy of aliveness. And now, as effortlessly as possible, feel the whole body, head to toe, at the same time, like that spotlight is effortlessly expanding. Enjoying the subtle flow of energy, getting slower and stronger in the body, head to toe, with the breath. And now feel the body and hear the sounds in the room around you at the same time. and expand that sense of the sounds into a sense of the space that surrounds you, just feeling and sensing the space around you. If it feels safe, just feel the body melting into the space, feeling yourself becoming one with the space as one seamless flow of energy. Feel that space as vast as you naturally feel it, as one field of vibration that you're effortlessly aware of, that you're relaxing into. Feel those vibrations slowing down effortlessly and enjoyably and becoming lighter moment to moment as you allow your attention to become dispersed in a pleasant way. When thoughts or distractions arise, just let them go without even trying and release them into that field of slow, restful energy. Keep letting go, finding a rhythm, whatever comes up, releasing it into that field of awareness, luminous and relaxed. Allow your consciousness to drift into a more pleasant and restful zone where everything feels safe and gentle and restful as you connect to that field of alive, slow, gentle energy. And when you feel ready, you can allow yourself to drift off to sleep, but let there be no rush. Let it come to you as you simply enjoy this state of letting go into the restful field of energy, moment to moment.